Hey, it's Chris with Laser Focus Solutions, and if you want to know how to set yourself apart from the competition, I'm going to tell you how. So I've been doing drywall work now for about a year and a half, okay? And the hardest part about going to existing customers' houses is dust containment. So we do our best to lay down tarps, we do our best to use shop vacs and different tools to keep the dust contained. However, just like most people, that's what they do. There is equipment that's out there. When you are an elite in your craft, you got to pay to play. So we just picked up today the Festool dust extractor, folks. That's right. I don't have all the details. All I know is she's gone from suck to blow, or blow to suck, whatever. I don't know. This thing just takes all the stuff and puts it in the stuff. So that's what I'm excited about. I'm excited. I'm passionate about what I do, and I am extremely excited to go to work tomorrow. Like, I want to go upstairs in my own house and try this thing out. So I got the 6-inch duster sander, and then I got the dust extractor, and I got the sustainer with the sanding pads. So it's just a start, but at the same time, this thing has a HEPA air filtration system that gets 97% of dust particles picked up in a home. So I'm very happy and very proud to add this to our arsenal of tools. We continue to try to find and buy the best equipment for our customers and our clients. And this, in my opinion, is going to be a game changer. We lay down tarps, we lay down plastic, we lay down all kinds of different things. And the fact that this piece of equipment right here in itself is going to do most all of that, it's going to be more efficient for us. It's going to be a better experience for the customer. And I'm not by any means paid by Festool. I am all hopped up on Red Bull, but that's about it. Other than that, I mean, that's my tool update. That's how you can set yourself apart from your competition. Now, when I go into a customer's home, which oddly enough, I'm getting ready to leave here and go, look at a customer who has drywall repair work to be fixed. You better believe I'm be talking about this piece of equipment that's going to be able to come into their home and not inconvenience them in a way that most trades would, right? So that is a complete differentiator from, the average person to the elite, okay? So just wanted to share, it's the littlest things compounded over time that will set your business apart from the competition. And your customers, they do care, right? So if you are a business owner and you're looking to set yourself apart, I can't say this enough, do your homework, invest in yourself, because it will pay itself back, right? This is a big investment for me. This is a big expense. I've talked myself out of it a few times, but you know what? I got to the point where we just did a drywall job and I'm like, that's it. I've plastic enough piece of furniture and tarped and shop back the best I can. And then I got to come home and shake the tarps out, and I got to make sure they're clean for the next job and all like that. So I am so excited to get this thing out in the field and get it working. So, I just wanted to take a quick minute, just shoot that off and do what I do. So appreciate it. Peace.